Hey Chopper Shoppers, we're back in our kitchen putting together a sweet treat from Price Chopper's Gatherings magazine.
We'll start by whisking together warm milk, melted butter, and sugar, and sprinkle the yeast on top. Once the yeast is frothy, we'll add in 4 cups of flour and mix with a wooden spoon. Once combined, we'll cover the bowl and let it rise in a warm room for 1 hour.
And while our dough rises, we'll also set outside 1 stick of butter to soften. Having the butter softened will really help the assembly process later. After about 1 hour, our dough should double in size, and we will add about 3/4 cup more flour, our baking powder, and salt. And we'll just want to make sure that our edges form a nice sharp corner, so that way when we roll it up, we don't have any funny rolls.
Then we'll spread on our softened butter, and on top of that, we'll add brown sugar and cinnamon. And we'll press it in so that the sugar sticks to the butter and doesn't fall off when we roll it.
So we'll roll it into a log and pinch the seam closed, and then we'll just rotate the seam so it's on the bottom.
If you're cutting the cinnamon rolls and you're having problems with the dough getting squished down and turning into this, then I have a kind of unique, strange little tip for you. You can actually cut your cinnamon rolls using a dental floss. So make sure that it's obviously clean and unflavored dental floss, and you'll just slide it underneath your roll, cross over the ends, and pull. And there you got a cinnamon roll that is not all squished. You'll place your cinnamon rolls into a greased pan and then cover and let rise again for about 30 minutes.
Once they're risen, we'll pop them into a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes.
While our cinnamon rolls bake in the oven, we'll start on our cream cheese frosting. It's just softened cream cheese, melted butter, vanilla, milk, and powdered sugar. Just whisk it all together until it's nice and smooth.
While our rolls are still warm, drizzle on our frosting and you're done. Don't forget to tag us in your recipe photos using the hashtag #MyPriceChopper.
And check out Gatherings magazine for more tasty recipe inspiration.
Thanks for watching.